expert, so I collaborate with Google to develop the ecosystem in Europe, Middle East and Africa. I'm also the co-founder and CEO of InstaDeep, which is the leading AI startup in Africa, which helps the enterprise. So we're going to start with AI today. So, what's going on in AI effectively. So the best definition, if you want, of AI today is that it's the combination of two technologies which both are very powerful, which is reinforcement learning on one side and deep learning on the other. By the way, this is a definition from David Silver, the inventor of AlphaGo, which solved the game of chess and Go, and who works at Google DeepMind. So AI today, it's essentially these two technologies. So let's start with deep learning first. So deep learning, it's all about pattern recognition. What we mean by that is, in the case of visual AI, which historically has been the way AI came to the forefront again after the last AI winter, it came through, the ImageNet competition in 2012 and 13. So the idea is I'm going to start with pixels. So what's an image? It's a set of pixels. I'm going to do a bunch of calculations on these pixels, and then redo it again, more calculations, and progressively increase the level of abstraction, if you want. And incredibly, you can use such a system to get concepts which are really not intuitive. So if, for example, I tell you how to program particular face, like how to recognize a face, if you're a programmer, you would not be able to do that manually. It's actually impossible to do for a human. Yet for a system like a visual deep learning system, it's actually very possible, and actually the results can be better than from humans. So the idea is, it starts by very low level things like recognizing differences in intensities and recognizing edges, which are like two lines together, and multiple edges create features.